Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the Pyramid Cancun, a stunning 5-star resort that's part of the Grand Oasis Cancun complex. Nestled along the pristine shores of Cancun, Mexico, this architectural marvel is more than just a place to rest your head. It's an experience that blends ancient Mayan mystique with modern luxury. So grab your virtual passports and let's embark on a journey through this pyramid-shaped paradise. Let's start with the rooms, shall we? The Pyramid Cancun doesn't just offer a place to sleep, it provides a sanctuary of comfort and style. Picture this, you're lounging in your spacious standard room, wrapped in plush bedding, sipping on a freshly brewed cup of coffee while gazing at the ocean through floor-to-ceiling windows. Sounds dreamy, right? But wait, there's more. For those looking to up the ante, the Cancun suites are where luxury meets tranquility. These private havens are perfect for couples or solo travelers seeking an elevated experience. And if you're feeling extra fancy, why not splurge on a master suite? It's like having your own little palace within the pyramid. Each room comes equipped with modern amenities like flat-screen TVs, air conditioning, and direct-dial telephones. And let's not forget the views. From limited view rooms for the budget-conscious to stunning oceanfront vistas that'll make your Instagram followers green with envy. The best part, during their Big Blue sale, you can snag a room with up to 54% off. Now that's what I call a pyramid scheme we can all get behind. Now let's talk about food because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? The Pyramid Cancun is a culinary playground with restaurants that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. First up, we have Azusa, where molecular gastronomy meets Mexican cuisine. It's like a science experiment you can eat, delicious and mind-bending at the same time. If you're in the mood for something a bit more traditional, but still with a twist, Maria Bonita serves up Mexican dishes that'll have you saying, "Ay, caramba," in no time. But here's where it gets really interesting. The black hole. No, it's not a portal to another dimension. Although after a few cocktails you might think it is. It's a blind tasting experience that'll challenge everything you thought you knew about food. And for those days when you just can't decide, there's always the buffet restaurants with enough options to satisfy even the pickiest eater in your group. Just remember to pack your stretchy pants, you're gonna need them. After all that eating, you might be thinking about hitting the gym. But why break a sweat indoors when you can lounge by one of the resort's multiple pools? The Pyramid Cancun boasts an array of aquatic options, including an exclusive beach club pool with premium amenities. Imagine floating in crystal-clear water, cocktail in hand, while a personal butler attends to your every need. It's like being royalty, but with better weather and fewer responsibilities. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, the beach is just steps away. With its soft sand and clear waters, it's perfect for everything from lazy sunbathing to adrenaline-pumping water sports. Snorkeling, kayaking, paddleboarding, take your pick. And don't worry about bringing your own gear. The resort has got you covered. Just remember to reapply that sunscreen. Nobody wants to go home looking like a lobster that's been through a pyramid-shaped oven. Now, let's talk about activities because the Pyramid Cancun isn't just about lounging around. Although that's certainly an option if that's your jam. For fitness enthusiasts, the resort boasts a state-of-the-art gym equipped with everything you need to keep those vacation calories at bay. From cardio machines to free weights, you can maintain your workout routine or start a new one. No judgment here. And if you prefer your exercise with a side of zen, why not join one of the group fitness classes or book a personal training session? Just imagine doing yoga with the sound of waves in the background. It's like a vacation for your body and soul. But let's be real, you're on vacation, and sometimes the best activity is doing absolutely nothing. That's where the spa comes in. The Pyramid Cancun Spa is a haven of relaxation, offering a variety of treatments that'll leave you feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on, well, more relaxation. From massages that'll unknot muscles you didn't even know you had, to facials that'll make you look like you've discovered the fountain of youth, the spa has it all. And let's not forget the sauna and steam room, perfect for sweating out those margarita toxins. The Sensory Bliss package is a particular favorite among guests, combining various treatments for a full-body pampering experience. Just be warned, after a day at the spa, you might find it hard to return to the real world. But hey, that's what vacation is all about, right? For those traveling with little ones, the Pyramid Cancun has got you covered. The resort offers a kids club that's basically a mini paradise for the younger set. While you're sipping cocktails by the pool or indulging in a spa treatment, your kiddos can be having the time of their lives with supervised activities, games, and even their own pool. It's like a vacation within a vacation. And for those family bonding moments, there are plenty of activities you can enjoy together. From beach volleyball to cooking classes, there's something for every age group. Just don't be surprised if your kids start asking to live at the resort permanently. It's been known to happen. Now, let's venture beyond the resort because as amazing as the Pyramid Cancun is, there's a whole world of adventure waiting just outside its doors. Within a 20-kilometer radius, you'll find some of Cancun's most popular attractions. Ever wanted to see underwater statues without getting your feet wet? The Cancun Underwater Museum is just a short drive away. Or how about exploring the eco-archaeological wonder that is Xcaret Park? It's like stepping into a living postcard of Mexican culture and natural beauty. For those who prefer their attractions with a side of adrenaline, Playa Delfines offers some of the best waves for surfing in the area. And if you're in the mood for a bit of culture, the Cancun Museum is a great place to learn about the region's rich history. The best part? Most of these attractions are just a 10 to 20-minute drive from the hotel, and the friendly staff can help arrange transportation or even guided tours. It's like having a concierge travel agent rolled into one. So, what's the overall verdict on the Pyramid Cancun? Well, it's safe to say that this resort is more hit than miss. Guests consistently rave about the location. I mean, who wouldn't love waking up to the sound of waves and the sight of pristine beaches? The cleanliness of the resort also gets top marks, which is always a relief when you're staying away from home. And let's not forget the staff. They're consistently described as friendly and helpful, going above and beyond to make sure your stay is nothing short of magical. But, like any resort, it's not without its quirks. Some guests have mentioned issues with plumbing and room maintenance. It seems the ancient Mayans didn't leave behind their plumbing secrets when they inspired this pyramid. However, these complaints are generally overshadowed by the positive experiences most guests have. One of the standout features of the Pyramid Cancun is its unique blend of luxury and cultural immersion. It's not every day you get to stay in a modern-day pyramid after all. The resort does an excellent job of incorporating Mayan themes into its design and experiences, giving guests a taste of local culture without having to leave the comfort of their sun lounger. The dining options are another major plus. With restaurants ranging from molecular gastronomy to traditional Mexican cuisine, there's something to satisfy every palate. And let's not forget the black hole. Because who doesn't want to eat dinner in complete darkness at least once in their life, right? For those looking to host events or conferences, the Pyramid Cancun has got you covered. The resort boasts state-of-the-art facilities that can accommodate everything from intimate business meetings to large-scale conferences. And, let's be honest, who wouldn't want to mix business with pleasure in a setting like this? Just be prepared for your colleagues to be a little distracted by the stunning ocean views during your PowerPoint presentation. But what really sets the Pyramid Cancun apart are the little touches that create memorable guest experiences. Like the time a honeymooning couple returned to their room to find it decorated with rose petals and a bottle of champagne, courtesy of the attentive staff. Or the guest who mentioned their love of Mexican art to a staff member and was surprised with a personalized tour of local galleries the next day. It's these kinds of experiences that transform a good vacation into an unforgettable one. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.